Today we are talking about the most challenging storage issues. Storage managers are facing storage growth, complex purchasing, and storage management, while trying to balance return on investment, capital expenses, and operational expenses. The VMware environment is just one example where all these issues come together. So is all this really an impossible task? We don't think so. One of the most promising solutions is automatic storage tiering, and it's getting a lot of attention among IT managers. Whatever capacity you have, you know you will need more in the future. Performance is always an issue, and the business drivers are constantly demanding more of everything. Many people are asking whether hard drives or SSDs can better handle these storage issues. But HDD versus SSD is not really the question. That is too simplistic an approach. Clearly, SSDs are part of the solution to storage growth and performance. At Dot Hill, we have a good answer to implementing SSD technology. The real question is what data, on what tier, at the right time. Consider different workloads. Traditional measures of performance involve just IOPS and bandwidth. However, there is another important dimension to characterize performance. Today's workloads are driven by real-time human activity, whether email, web servers, or VMware environments, causing variability and unpredictable spikes in activity or hot data. What matters is how the active workload changes with respect to time and locality of reference. The trick is to build a storage system that can respond to dynamic workloads in real time. This is what the Assured SAN Pro 5000 delivers. It is unique in that it responds to hot data, even as the data changes minute by minute. Why aren't other automated storage solutions all that smart? Well, they are targeted at enterprise customers and are very expensive to license. They are difficult to manage because they require manual policy settings. And finally, their batch migration methodology is ineffective. By moving data around once in 24 hours, these solutions in effect prioritize yesterday's hot data. Automated tiering displaces backup data reduction deduplication as the hottest technology in storage on the InfoPro's proprietary Technology Heat Index, according to the InfoPro. This remarkable new solution from Dot Hill combines SSD and HDDs into a system with real-time auto-tiering, lowers investment in physical disk capacity, and has a disruptively simple interface. The Assured SAN Pro 5000 solutions start with a 48-drive base system and can scale up to 240 drives or up to 224 terabytes of data. This makes it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. The integrated RealStore software includes real-time tiering software, automated pooling, thin provisioning, as well as a rapid rebuild function. Dot Hill invited Enterprise Strategy Group to perform a technical evaluation of the product. They were impressed with the performance and how the product responds to dynamic workloads in real time. Are you wondering how RealStore actually works? This graphic depicts a system that includes 3 tiers of storage. While data is coming into the system, the software analyzes blocks at the sub-LUN level and determines what data to store in each tier. Hot data moves to the SSD tier, and cold data moves to the high-capacity nearline disk tier. All of this happens continuously. Real-time tiering analyzes the workload and moves data every 5 seconds automatically with no set policies. RealStore uses fine-grained block movement at 4 megabytes page size, which allows for very precise data placement and efficient data movement. Only 1% of the system I/O is allocated to the back-end migration process, so I/O to the application gets the highest priority, and performance will improve immediately as the hottest data moves to the highest tier. Unlike other systems that migrate data in a batch process, RealStore delivers performance gains in minutes. The metadata is updated every time a block is accessed, and every 5 seconds certain blocks are moved, resulting in 17,000 updates every day. Management time is reduced with a user interface that eliminates all of the low-level RAID settings and policies. The result is a storage system that performs like an SSD storage array, yet with the capacity of a nearline drive storage array. The system also has a powerful performance monitoring facility, showing you performance gains while you watch. The user interface is easy to use and relieves the storage manager of many mundane duties, such as configuring the system and scheduling batch jobs. In summary, the Pro 5000 with RealStore sets a new standard for storage arrays with tiered storage. The real-time tiering allows you to run your business in real time, make decisions faster, and make your company more productive. The technology is rock solid, with demonstrated 5 nines of availability, smart software for better performance, and great price performance.